Hello. For this week's discussion, I will be talking on motivating operations. So, early in his career, Skinner in 1938 used the term drive to describe change in behavior that were function of motivational variables. Other authors, such as Keller et al., did a didactic treatment of Skinner's work and emphasized on specific environmental operations that are necessary to establish drive. Michael in 1982 and 1993 did not confirm the usage of drive by Keller et al., but reintroduced established operations. An established operation is any environmental variable that momentarily alters 1. The effectiveness of some stimulus, object or event as a reinforcer, and 2. The current frequency of all behavior that has been reinforced by the stimulus or event. Later in 2003, Michael proposed the term motivating operation, MO, to encompass the fact that these variables were not only to strengthen but also to weaken the value of consequence as a reinforcer. So what is a MO? A MO is an environmental variable that alters 1. The reinforcing or punishing effect of a stimulus or event, or 2. Alters the current frequency of all behavior that has been reinforced or punished by that stimulus or event. What are the characteristics of MOs? MOs have 2 effects: the value and behavior altering effect. Value altering effect is either an increase in reinforcing effectiveness of some stimulus or event, in which case the MO is an established operation, or 2. A decrease in reinforcing effectiveness, in which case the MO is an abolishing operation, or AO. Behavior altering effect is either an increase in the current frequency of behavior that has been reinforced by some stimulus or event called evocative effect, or a decrease in the current frequency of behavior that has been reinforced by some stimulus or event called abative effect. What are examples of MOs? Food deprivation. An MO, it increases the value of food as well as all behavior that have led to food, as long as that organism is deprived of food. Or food ingestion decreases the value of food as well as all behavior that have been followed by food reinforcement. How can MOs be utilized by AB or behavior analysts? Behavior analysts can utilize MOs to analyze preference assessment and functional analysis to understand challenging behavior and study the rate of acquisition of target behavior. Thank you for listening.